Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me here today. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Social Security beneficiaries could receive a boost in monthly payments very soon. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. The expanded federal child tax credit has already delivered billions of dollars into the hands of families across our nation. It was expanded to a maximum of $3,000 per child through the American Rescue Plan. The latest round of payments was supposed to go out on September 15, 2021. However, it appears that many of these payments have been delayed for some people. There are 3 more payments that families are supposed to get. They are expected to arrive on October 15th, November 15th, and December 15th. These payments represent the first half of the expanded child tax credit, which is a maximum payment of $3,000. The rest of the money can be claimed when you file your 2022 taxes. At the beginning of this month, the Internal Revenue Service announced it had nearly 8.5 million unprocessed individual returns, including 2020 returns with errors and amended returns that require corrections or special handling, and refunds that usually take around 21 days to process are now taking at least 120 days. Refund checks were expected to come over this summer, but it's nearly fall, and the IRS has not given an update to let taxpayers know when their money is coming. To add to that, the IRS has also been very busy with stimulus checks, child tax credit payments, and refunds for tax overpayment on unemployment benefits. The plus-up stimulus adjustments and the third advanced monthly check of the child tax credit payment could give families some financial relief, but an overdue tax refund would be an even bigger help. The Internal Revenue Service usually issues tax refunds within 3 weeks, but many taxpayers have been waiting months to receive their payments. And if there are any errors, or if you filed a claim for an earned income tax credit, the wait could be very lengthy. The date you receive your tax refund also will depend on how you filed your tax return. For example, with refunds going into your bank account via direct deposit, it could take an additional 5 days for your bank to post the money into your account. This means if it took the IRS the full 21 days to issue your check and your bank 5 days to post it, you could be waiting a total of 26 days to receive your money.
Mr. President, Republican leader Mitch McConnell this morning once again reiterated that the Republican Party will not vote to lift the debt ceiling, and in an extraordinarily irresponsible manner, Republicans have indicated that they will not pay the debts incurred under the Trump administration. In his statement, as he has done time and time again, Senator McConnell implies that this debt ceiling has something to do with future spending. It does not. Like anyone who owns a credit card, the payments that are made are for past spending. In this case, spending incurred under the Trump administration. And let us be clear. If the United States, the largest economy in the world, defaults on its debt, it will plunge not only our country, but the entire global economy into what could become a severe economic depression. That means massive unemployment, higher interest rates.
Because of this ongoing crisis, the IRS ran at restricted capacity in 2020, which put a great strain on its ability to process tax returns and created a humongous backlog. The combination of the shutdown, 3 rounds of stimulus payments, challenges with paper-filed returns, and the task related to implementing new tax laws and credits created a big mess. The IRS is once again open and currently processing mail, tax returns, payments, refunds, and correspondence, but limited resources continue to cause much delays. The Internal Revenue Service said it's also taking more time for 2020 tax returns that need review, such as determining recovery rebate credit amounts for the first and second stimulus checks, or figuring out earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit amounts. Everyone, the key word for this video is basketball. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please subscribe to my channel, comment below the keyword, and also like my video. Thank you so much, everyone. Although we are not yet in 2022, the final announcement of what the COLA will be for next year will be announced in October. This gives those who choose what the adjustment will be less than a month to decide what the rate will eventually be. In 2021, the COLA rose by 1.3%, which is pretty standard for times of normality in the U.S. economy. For the average retirement benefit, that amounted to $20 more per month, for a total of $1,543. But however, for 2022, it is projected to be radically different. The COLA for the year 2022 is expected to be around 6.0%, down from an estimate of 6.1% in August. From January 2022, the new average payment would be about $1,628. Two of the main reasons, besides inflation, for real terms reduction are Medicare Part B premiums and income taxes. Medicare Part B premiums are deducted directly from Social Security beneficiaries' monthly benefit checks. This is to pay for outpatient and physician services. Just like taxes, it depends on what an individual is earning before calculating what needs to be paid. The standard monthly premium for Medicare Part B enrollees is $148.50 for 2021, which is an increase of $3.90 from $144.60 in the year 2020. As well as Medicare, income from Social Security is subject to federal income taxes. Individuals with less than $25,000 in combined income do not have to pay taxes on their benefits. Social Security beneficiaries who are above the income threshold pay taxes on up to 85% of their benefits. Those tax thresholds are not adjusted for wage or price growth, and consequently, more beneficiaries are taxed on their benefits over time. Retirees will get more money next year due to the COLA increases, but most of these gains are going to be offset by inflation and price rises in tax and Medicare. Retirees will get more money next year due to the COLA increases, but sadly, most gains are going to be offset by inflation and price rises in tax and Medicare. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me here this afternoon. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you are interested in entering tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to comment below the keyword. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Thursday afternoon.